All right. So bring your dumbbells along. Let's get ready with the CrossFit part. Okay. Now, the CrossFit workout is 40 seconds of movement, 20 seconds of rest. And we do 3 rounds. Okay, we have 4 movements today. The first one being the thruster. So let's see what it is. Do we all know what a thruster is? So place your hands right here. Don't place your dumbbells on the shoulders. They will be slightly up. Elbows are not out, elbows slightly inside. Legs shoulder width apart, knees soft. So you go down, thrust up, down, up, down, up. Yes? Let's practice that 5 counts right now, everyone. Down and up, yes. And up, yes. Down and up, yes. Good. Okay, relax. The next movement is a deadlift. Okay, so we have dumbbells. We are going to do with dumbbells. So again, watch the position. The starting is very important. Place your dumbbells like this, or you can place it by the side also. Ideally like this. Okay, legs are shoulder width apart, knees are soft. You bend down and you lift up. Watch it again. Don't do it. Just watch. Bend down and up. Watch it from the side now. You are here. Bend down. Now watch. This is your final movement. Knees are bent. Back is straight and parallel to the floor. Okay. From here you lift up, down, and up, down, and up. As if you are lifting something from the floor. Let's try that. Show me a side view, everyone. Turn on the side and show me. Yes. Yes. Ekansh, bend your back more. Go down more. That is what I'm trying to say. Yes. Down more. Yes. Yes. Good, Sumona. Try bending your knees when you go down. Yes. Yes. Slightly bend your knees. Yes. Do that. Bend your knees. Yes. And come up. Yes. Dipen, yours is fine. Vikram, you're bending down too much. So bend your knees more. Just from here come up. You don't need to go down much. Go down. From here come up, come up, come up. Yes. Keep your chest out, back straight, everyone. Yes. Good, Kirti. Good. Very good. Okay. So let's watch it again. I'll just pinpoint a few individuals which I found need something. Okay, Samana. So when you are going down, you need to bend your knees. Don't keep your knees straight. Okay, bend your knees even if your body is flexible enough to go down. Okay. All right. And Vikram, you will not be bending too much. So don't go down like this. All right. You need to keep your back straight, chest out. Bend from your knees like this. This is your final position, and from here you come up. Okay, don't bend down too much. Radhika, you need to keep your chest out and back straight. Don't hunch your back. In no point you are going to do this. You are going to hurt your back. Alright? And Ekansh, you are going to go down further. You are just coming back from here only. You need to go down slightly further. Okay? And come up. Alright? Yes? Okay, let's do 3 deadlifts more. Everyone. Deadlift only 3 more. I just need to verify that you're doing it fine. Yes. Good, Sumona. Good. Good. Yes. Nice, Ekansh. Yes. Very good, Vikram. Very nice. Good. Relax, everyone. It's correct. Yes. Okay. The next movement, the third one is KB swings. Easy movement. We all know this. Pointers. Legs are slightly more than the shoulder width. When you go down, bend your knees and lift it forward. Bend down and up. Down and up. Down and up. Yes. Let's try it 5 times. Everyone. Down and up. Yes. Good. Fair enough. Fair enough. Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. The next movement is renegade rows. Okay. So we have 3 variations of renegade rows. Let's see how comfortable we are. So just let me place my mat. Do it on the mat. If you have it, it's slightly more comfortable to hold the dumbbells. That is the only reason. Otherwise, flooring is very slippery, and if you have a dumbbell like this, it will slip a lot. Okay, the rows goes like this. So first of all, you balance your body on the plank position like that. Okay. Now from here, lift one row, then lift the other row. Keep your body as stable as possible. Okay. If you feel this is difficult, what you do is be in the plank. Lift one dumbbell on the side like this, bring it back. Lift the other dumbbell on the side, bring it back. Lift on the side and back. Okay? If this seems difficult, keep one leg on the floor. One leg knee is lifted up, one leg knee is down. Be in half plank, this is called half plank. From here, lift up, back, then change. Lift up, back, then change. Lift up, back. Okay. Make sure pointer here, whichever three you do, it's fine. Pointer here is that your row is this. It is not this. Okay. By the side of your waist. Alright. That is your row. Okay. Let's try it. Just do it 2, 3 on each side. Let's try. How are we going to do the movement? Yes. Yes, good Simona, good. Yes, very good Akansh, yes. Yes, good Dipen, good. Okay. Yes, Kirti, try keeping your torso down. Your torso is very high. Try keeping it down. Radhika, you were comfortable doing this? Okay, fine. Relax. So it's an advanced movement. If right now some of you are not doing it perfectly, that's fine for now. But at least try the full renegade row. Okay? Alright. So let me revise the movements for you before we begin the workout. So 40 seconds we begin by doing thrusters. Okay? Then we do 20 seconds of rest. Then 40 seconds deadlift, 20 seconds rest. And then 40 seconds KB swings, 20 seconds rest. Okay? And then 40 seconds renegade rows and then 20 seconds of rest. Alright, 3 rounds. Okay? Let's get ready. Let me switch on my stopwatch. First is your thrusters. Get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Thrusters, yes. Try keeping your elbows slightly closer. Don't keep your elbows too much out. Vikram, elbows slightly closer. Yes. Good, good. Carry on, carry on. 15 seconds up, yes. Good, Dipen. Good, Sumona, good, yes. Very nice. Carry on. Yes. Kirti, you need to keep your hands here only. From here only, go down, up. Down, up, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Walk. Next is coming up deadlift in another 15 seconds. Walk, walk. Deadlift is the next movement. 5 seconds to go. Get ready. Pick up your dumbbells. Hold them. Start. Deadlift. Down and up. Yes. Down and up. Bend your knees. Yes. Down and up. Yes. You need to lift up the dead from the ground. That is the functional movement. Yes. Down and up. Yes. Don't fold your elbows. Elbows straight. Soft and straight. Not locked. Soft and straight. Yes. Good, Vikram. Good. Very nice. 10 more seconds. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 20 seconds rest. Then you have KB swings. Okay. Alright, get ready. Hold your dumbbell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. KB swings. Yes. Swing up. Yes, very nice. Very good, Simona. Very good. Good, Kirti. Good. Yes. Down and up. Yes. And up. Yes. Carry on. Yes. Good, Ekansh. Good. Yes. So bend down from your back more. Bend forward more. Forward and down more. When you go down, 10 seconds. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, next is your renegade rows. Try doing a full movement. Even if you face few challenges, that's fine for now. We will be working on that. Radhika, chest out, back straight. Yes. Okay, get ready. Start. Renegade rows. Lie down in the plank on your dumbbells and start rowing one by one. Keep your body as stable as possible. Very good, Ekansh. Good, Dipen. Good. Excellent. Yes, Simona, slightly torso down. Otherwise, it's good. Yes. Excellent, Simona. Very nice. Yes. Good, Kirti. Good. Try keeping your legs shoulder width apart. Don't join your legs, everyone. Your legs should have some gap. 10 more seconds. Keep that going, guys. Yes. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. One round done. 2 more to go. Walk. Walk, everyone. Okay, let's get ready. Second round. 5 seconds to go. Next movement is your thruster. Start. That's your thruster. Down and up. Down, up. Yes. Keep that going. 40 seconds. Yes. Yes, good. Carry on, carry on. 20 more seconds, guys. Yes. Yes, good, good, good. Down and up. Yes, very good, Vikram. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Next is your deadlifts. 10 seconds to go. Get ready. Alright, pick up your dumbbells. Get ready for the deadlifts. Okay, start. Down and up. Down and up. So bend forward, go down and up. Yes. Keep doing that. Down and up. Yes. Yes. Elbows soft and straight. Yes. Good. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. 20 seconds rest. Then you have KB swings. Okay. Alright. Pick up one single dumbbell. Get ready. Legs slightly wider than the shoulder width. And start KB swings. Down and up. Concentrate on your lower back. That is the workout. Yes. Keep that going. Yes. Chest out. Back straight. Good. Yes. Lift up. Lift up. Yes. So lift up from your lower back. Yes. Shoulders stable. Chest out. Back straight. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, get ready for the rows. 20 seconds to go. Alright, renegade rows. 5 seconds. Take your position. Body weight on the dumbbells. Be in the planks. Start. Good, Dipen. Good. Very nice. Good, Kirti. Good. Keep your legs slightly shoulder width apart. Yes. Now do it. Yes. Good. There you go. Radhika, keep looking straight. Don't look down. Yes. Good, Simona. Good. Stabilize your torso. Body slightly forward, Simona. Don't strain your shoulders. Yes. Good. Good. Excellent. Yes. There you go. 10 more seconds, guys. Don't give up. Carry on. Carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. Okay. 2 rounds done. 1 last to go. 20 seconds breather. Walk around. Drop your dumbbells. Okay, get ready. Pick up your dumbbells. Last round, starting with thrusters and start. Down and up. Down, up, down, up. Carry on. Yes. Keep that going. Yes, good, Kirti, good. Very nice. Yes. Radhika, push your hips back. Body weight on your heels, not on your toes when you go down. Yes, good. Carry on, carry on. Yes, good, Simona, good. 10 more seconds, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Walk around. Next is your deadlifts. Okay. Let's get ready. 5 seconds rest. Pick up your dumbbells. Take your positions. Legs shoulder width apart. Dumbbells in front. Chest out. Back straight. Down. Lift up. Bend your knees. Down. Bend your knees. Lift up. Yes. Good. Yes. Simona, don't bend down too much. Just till here. Come up. Yes. So your back should be parallel to the floor. It should not fall down. Okay. Yes. Yes. Much better. Much better. Good. Good. Carry on. Carry on, guys. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Next is your KB swings. 10 more seconds before we start KB swings.
Ma'am, my deadlift was fine.
Yes, yours was fine. Okay, start. KB swings, everyone. Lift up one single dumbbell. Yes, and up. Start, start. Yes, don't rest too much. Yes, down and up. Yes. Yes, bend forward more, down and up. So this movement looks like this. It goes down and up. Yes, down and up. Yes. Yes, good, good, good. Carry on. Excellent, Simona. Very nice. 10 more seconds. Radhika, chest out, back straight. Keep your back straight. Concentrate on your lower back. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Okay, last movement of the CrossFit workout, renegade rows. Get ready, 5 seconds to go. Take your positions. Last 40 seconds. Start. Be in the plank, row one by one. Yes. Body stable. Don't let your body swing too much. Very good, Ekansh. Very nice movement. Good, Simona. Good. Yes. Good, Dipen. Excellent. Yes. Very good, Kirti. Good, Vikram. Good. 20 more seconds, guys. Last movement. Yes, keep breathing. Body stable. 10 more seconds. That's all. Torso stable, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. We are through with our CrossFit workout of 12 minutes. Let's rest for a while. 1 minute of rest. Okay. The next is strength and conditioning, which we will be doing after 1 minute. So we can talk about it meanwhile. We have 3 movements: squats, sumo squats, and farmer's walk. Okay. Squats are basically concentrated on your quadriceps, your glutes, your hamstrings. So it's a complete it's a compound movement, but primary movers are your quadriceps and your glutes and hamstrings. Then we have sumo squats. Sumo squats slightly work more on your hamstrings and glutes than the normal squats. Then we have farmer's walk. Farmer's walk is primarily for calf strengthening, though it is again a compound movement. All 3 are compound movements. Farmer's walk is also excellent core movement. Okay. So let's pick up one movement. We do 3 sets and so on. So first is your sumo squats. All right. Now you are going to hold the dumbbells normally. Just watch it. We are going to do only 8 counts. But how? Pick up your dumbbells like this. Legs shoulder width apart. Down, slowly come up. Okay. Down, slowly come up. No need to hurry the movement. Down, engage your glutes. Slowly come up from your glutes. You need to be mindful of the muscles. So glutes are this muscle. You need to concentrate on your hips as you come up. Don't blindly do this movement. Don't throw your body up and down. You need to be in control. Slowly and slowly come back up. Okay, 8 counts everyone. Be mindful of the muscle that you're working on. Yes, start. 6 to 8 counts. No need to do more counts, but go slow, come up slow. Yes, very good, Akansh. Good. Don't throw your body. Be in control. Down and up. Yes. Down and up. Radhika, slowly come up. Down, slowly come up. Yes. Hold the muscle as you come up. Down, slowly come up. Yes. Very good, Simona. Good, Kirti. Good. Yes. Yes. Good, Vikram. Down, slowly come up. Yes. Down and slowly come up. Yes. Okay. If you're done 8 counts, drop your dumbbells and relax for a while. Yes. Good, Kirti. Good. Excellent. Yes, down, slowly come up. Okay. 8 counts, then you relax. Okay. In the next set, we are going to do the same movement with pulses. So, hold your dumbbells like this, legs are shoulder width apart. Watch it. You go down, say 1, 2. Slowly come up. Again, go down. 1, 2. Slowly come up. So, no need to rush the pulses also. 1, 2. Slowly come up. Yes? 2 pulses, 8 counts. Let's go for it, guys. Start. Yes. Down. Yes. Pulses in control. The pain, don't throw your body. Pulses in control. You should be in control of the body. Yes. Yes. Good, Simona. Good. Very good, the pain. Very nice. Good. Yes. Yes. Very nice, Kirti. Good. Carry on, carry on. Yes, slow. Yes, pulses slow. Don't throw your body. Yes, good. Only 2 pulses. Don't do more pulses, but be mindful, watchful of the movement, in control. Your body should be in control. Yes, 1, 2, and come up. Yes, 8 counts. Yes. We have a variation in the third set. Okay. Now in the third set, what you are going to do is, you are going to do up pulses. Okay, watch it how. So, you go down, come up. 1, 2, and come up. Okay, watch it again. Down, up, 1, 2, and come up. Down, up, 1, 2, and come up. Okay, so this is your full up. The pulse happens slightly down. Not too down, slightly up. Okay, yes, that is where the pulsing happens. Okay, start. 8 counts. So this pulsing works more on your quadriceps. Yes, go down. Yes, down. While you are coming up, pulse it just before you finish. Yes. Good. Down and up and pulse. Yes, very good, Simona. Yes, good. Yes, down, up and pulse. Yes. Okay. Be in control. Don't rush the movement. Concentrate on your quadriceps as you pulse when you are up. Yes, good Radhika, good. Yes, good Vikram, yes. Nice try, yes. Good Kirti, yes. Yes. Good Dipen, yes. Just be in control of the movement. Hold the muscle there, yes. Very good Akansh, nice. 8 counts. If you're done, you can drop your drop your weights and relax. 6 to 8, whatever you are able to do, that's fine enough. Yes. Okay. Next movement, sumo squats. Watch the first set. For the first set, your dumbbell is in the center. Legs are slightly more than the shoulder width. Toes are out. So toes pointing out is a more important point. Okay. And from here, push your hips back, go down, make a 90-degree angle here, come back up. Again, go slow. Down, pause, and up. Down, pause, slowly come up. Yes, 8 counts. Start. Yes. Down, yes. Slowly come up. Yes. So you want to try to keep your back slightly straight. Don't bend too much from your back. Bend from your hips more. Yes. Much better, yes. Don't pulse, Kirti. It's a normal sumo squat. Go down as much as you can. Go down, pause and come up. You need to pause. Count 1 when you go down. Yes. Pause, pause, yes. Yes. 8 counts, yes. Very good, Dipen. Good, Akansh, good. Good, Kirti, yes. 8 counts, yes. Okay. Now in the next set, we do the same movement but with pulses. So legs are shoulder width apart, slightly more than the shoulder width. Toes are pointing out. Push your hips back, go down. 1, 2. Slowly come up. Down. 1, 2. Slowly come up. Yes? Let's do that. 8 counts. Simona, don't widen your legs too much. Your knees are turning inside. So what is happening is, I'll tell you, you are here. So when you go down, your knees are turning inside. You want to keep it out always. Okay? Yes? Let's try that. 8 counts with 2 pulses. No, you can slightly keep your legs wider. Slightly. Thoda sa aur kolo. Yes. Now go down. Now try. Yes, much better. This is a much better pose. Yes. Down and up. Yes. Toes pointing out. Kirti, toes pointing out. If this is your toe, yeah, it should point out. Yes, as much as possible. Go down. Yes, very good. Feel it on the inside of your thighs. Yes. 8 counts. Okay. Alright, relax. Now watch the next movement. The same movement but next set. Okay. You are in your sumo squat like this. Sumo squat stance to begin with. Now from here you go down. Take one heel up, drop down. Other heel up, drop down. And come back up. Watch it again. Go down. One heel up. Other heel up. And up. Okay? Do it slow. First reach down. Then lift one heel. Then the other heel. And then come up. Okay? 8 counts. So squats are 8. One pulse on with your heel up. Yes, let's try that. Go down. Yes. Heel up, Kirti, not toe up. Heel up. Yes, go down. One heel up. Yes, good, Ekansh. Other heel up. Yes. Yes, good. Go down, heel up, yes, and come up. Chest out, back straight, everyone. Don't hunch your back. Yes, and come back up. Yes, good. Carry on. 8 counts, 8 squats. So with this, we work not only on our abductors, which are inside of your thigh muscle, inside of your leg muscle. We work on our calves as well. So abductors, calves, hamstrings, glutes. So it's a compound movement. When we lift our heels up, that is where we are engaging our calves as well. Yes, good. Vikram, keep your back straight. Don't bend too much. Slight bend is okay in a squat, but don't bend too much. Yes. Yes, good, good. Carry on, yes. Okay, relax everyone. Let's watch the next movement, which is a farmer's walk. So we are going to do farmer's walk or jog as we call it for 20 seconds and then 3 sets. So watch it how. Hold both the dumbbells in both the hands. Start from one corner of your room. Okay. Be on your toes, knees are soft, and take smaller steps as you jog. Take smaller steps, be on your toes. So your full foot is not on the floor, only your toes are on the floor and you are walking, jogging like that. Okay? Try to stabilize your body and jog like that, holding your weights. Okay? Alright, don't rest in between. Got it? Pick up your dumbbells, both the dumbbells. Get ready. 20 seconds at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Keep your knees soft. Don't bend your knees too much. Shorter, faster steps. Yes, very good. Be on your toes. Yes. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, make sure when you're walking like that or jogging like that, your heels don't touch the floor. You should always be on your toes. Okay, get ready. Second round. Pick up your dumbbells quickly. Start. 20 seconds. Farmer's walk. Yes, very nice, Simona. Very good, Dipen. Yes. Smaller steps. Very nice, Vikram. Good, good, good. Smaller steps. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. One last movement for this one. One last set for this movement. Get ready. Pick up your dumbbells. Start. Yes. Chest out, back straight. Core stable. Stabilize your core. Tuck in your stomach. Yes. Keep walking as high on your toes as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. We are through with our strength and conditioning, which is our second part. A breather here before we start with our core blast. So in core blast, we are going to do today slightly working on our obliques or side planks, abs. So we have picked up 3 movements. One is plank twisting, one is side planks, and one is plank scoops. Okay. So we are going to do it for 20 seconds, 20 seconds and 20 seconds all in one go. Okay. So in the first set, we are going to practice the movements for 20 seconds and rest. The second and the third set will be a continuous set of all the three movements together. Okay, got it? So the first is your plank twist. Let's watch the movement. We are going to be in our elbow planks. Okay, stabilize your body first. Now from here, start twisting from your lower body. Your upper body doesn't twist. Your torso twists. Your toes also twist from side to side. Okay, that's your movement. Alright, got it? So let's do it for 20 seconds. Be in your plank pose, elbow plank pose, everyone. And start. Yes, side to side twisting. Keep your shoulders stable. Yes, keep looking straight. Yes, you are squeezing from your waist. Yes. 10 more seconds. Three, two, one. Relax. Good. So that is the first round of your first movement. Let's do the second movement, first round, which is your side planks. So here we are going to do in the palm plank pose. So watch it. So you are here in the palm planks. From here, turn towards one side, pause, come back. Turn towards the other side, pause, come back. As you turn, watch that your feet will also twist. Don't be here and do this. You need to twist your feet as well. Again, come and twist. Again, move forward and twist. Alright, yes. Let's try that for 20 seconds. Start, everyone. 20 seconds, side planks, side to side. Yes, come back. Yes, stabilize your torso.
Ma'am, my shoulder.
Okay, okay. Then what you do is, Ekansh, you do plank taps like that. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Relax, everyone. Yes. Ekansh, just try if in the plank taps also your shoulders are hurting. Better? Good. Okay. Alright, let's move to the next movement, which is your plank scoops. And how are we going to do it? Ekansh, you will also not do this one also. I'll alter the movement for you. Alright, everybody else, you will be in the side plank elbow pose. Okay, this is from where you start. From here, in-turn your torso and out-turn it again. In-turn and out-turn. So don't do this. This is not a scoop. You need to twist from your torso inside and out. Twist inside and out. Okay? Ekansh, you will be doing wind wipes. So lie down like that. That is for Ekansh only. Lift up your legs and move your body side to side like this. Okay? This is your movement while others do the scoops. Okay, 20 seconds. Get ready. Start. Yes, very good, Simona. Very nice. Good, Vikram. Good. Good try. Good try. Keep trying it. Yes. Yes, very good, Kirti. I'll be asking you to change your side. Don't change your side now. Okay, change your side, everyone. Switch on the other side now. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Ekansh, you need to relax your upper body. So don't move your neck. Neck should lie, you should lie down. Only move your legs side to side. Okay? Alright. Now, everyone, in the next set, what are we going to do? Just for Ekansh, you remember your 3 movements. Okay? Now, see what we are going to do. So we start with 20 seconds of plank twisting. Immediately after 20 seconds, you start doing your side planks for 20 seconds. Immediately after side planks of 20 seconds, you reach one side, do a scoop of 15 seconds on one, and then I ask you to change your side and do scoops 15 seconds on the other side. Okay, it's a continuous workout. We will not rest in between. Okay, got it? Get ready. One last set, that is all. Be in the elbow position, and at the count of 3, 2, 1, start the twisting. Start twisting your torso, yes. Yes, Sumona, your torso is very high. Keep it slightly low. Radhika, look straight. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, side to side planks. Come on everyone, yes, without resting. Yes, move your body forward, yes. Carry on, carry on. Twist your, Radhika, twist your toes also. Turn around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, shift to plank scoops. Be in the elbow plank. Start the scooping. Scoop and up. Yes, scoop and up. Yes, carry on. Change your side. Torso down. Kirti, torso down. Yes. Scoop and up. Yes, very good. Scoop and up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. We are through with our core blast as well. So we did 3 parts today: strength and CrossFit, strength and conditioning, and core blast. Okay, that is the design of the workout that will remain for this week. On Friday also, we will be doing the movements in 3 parts. First will be your HIIT, which will be a body weight HIIT on Friday. Then we will be doing our strength and conditioning, concentrating on both the upper body as well as the lower body. And the third part, core blast, we will be doing some abs. Okay? So that is how the workout is going to be. Walk around, rest for a few seconds more, then we start with our stretching.